What's up, everybody? This is Nick from EdTech, the podcast, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about two of my favorite online timeline makers. As educators, timelines can be a very valuable learning tool. Maybe you want to create one specifically to show your students, or even better, maybe you want to have your students create one themselves as a class project. No matter what you're doing, there's lots of really great online timeline creators that you can do. These are two of my favorites, starting off with time.graphics. If you head to time.graphics, I'll scroll down and show you some of the ones they have marked out already. Here's a video game history timeline just to show you what the end result can be. You get this very visually appealing, interactive, clickable, slidable, movable timeline. You can see you can mark out spans of time with these bars. All these little circles are different dropped points that you could actually click on, and in these cases play a video, read some text, look at an image, all added by you and shareable and downloadable in a bunch of different formats. If we go back, we can actually start one of these things so you can see how easy it is. At the top of their web page, simply click on Create. Notice there's no sign-ups or entering a password or anything. You can just do this, and it's going to open up a blank canvas for the timeline you're about to make. If you want to add an event, you can simply click at a certain point. So here is January of 1980. And if I click, it's going to give me all these different options for things that I can embed or add at that particular point in time, like some data related to various countries, statistics, percentages, time period. So if we add that, that's going to give you that time span option. Maybe later in 1983, I want to add an event, so something takes place, and I can simply type in whatever that event is, and so on. All very editable and super, super easy to use, really without any training at all. Once you're done, you can share out the web version of this. You can also download it in all of these different formats over here. So let's say I want this as a picture file, so I'll do PNG. It's going to automatically download that for me, but it will have a fairly distracting watermark. If you want to turn off that watermark, it's going to ask you to pay, which I might choose to do, especially just for the day if I'm just making one of these things so that I have it. You can unlock a free version by simply sharing out time.graphics on one of your social media channels. So there is that workaround that they have built in, and we thank time.graphics for that. Next up, we've got, as should be no surprise to you if you're a listener of EdTech, next up we've got Canva. Canva is probably my favorite tool that's out there right now for educators. If you don't yet know about it, you can head to Canva for Education and sign up for free. And with the education account, you get a lot of the paid premium features for free as a teacher. Canva, just like everything else, has some really great templates for creating timelines. If we start one of these things, it's going to give you this blank canvas that is kind of shaped like this vertical timeline. You can adjust that if you want, but the beauty of Canva, like with anything else, is you can scroll through some of the pre-made templates that are there for you. If one jumps out at you, like it will fit the particular type of timeline you're trying to make, you can simply click, add it, and then start adjusting the images by deleting them and adding your own and changing the text. Of course, when you're all done, you're going to come up to share and either download this or share it directly with people via Canva. So that wraps it up for this video on free online timeline creators. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to check out EdTech anywhere you listen to podcasts.